Alright, so Grandpa's restoration, where we at? Pretty good and neutralized. Doing alright. Definitely coming along. Get the axle started to soak. I got the differential, the third members up there soaking. My scheduled time, I guess, I didn't really have a set time frame to do this. I was just pretty much told, do it. So, see this spot right here? I still got to spray. Oof. That's bad. But, that's what it all looked like. Okay? That's what it all looked like. And now we're getting about ready to paint. Couple more goes with the rust neutralizer and the wire wheel, and we'll be there, at least on the back end. And then we start our way up. See, when I first started this project, the plan from the rip was to start with the differential. Now it's been brought to my attention that I actually was only supposed to be doing a head gasket. These are the swingers for the leaf springs. And when I first started this project, I was told my first plan was start off with the differential, start with the back end. But now it's been brought to my attention that when I pulled this vehicle in here, I was only supposed to be doing a head gasket, which I find ridiculous because head gaskets are pretty solid. So I went ahead and I worked my magic, I guess, a little bit down here. Still got to get some more layers going. And that right there is neutralized. It's just covered in neutralization, I guess. I'm getting down here. But you see that? Beautiful. Started to touch up in here. We got all this. I sprayed down, and hopefully we're gonna get this project moving along a lot faster than it has been. Here we got this here. I started to sand down. I'll paint that just like I did the back ones. The back ones are there's one of them. It's got that axle attached to it, but you can see it's got a fresh layer of paint. This here, disaster hole. And the worst part about the disaster hole is the amount of straight disrespect people have when digging through it. And this shit ain't this not replaceable. I'm sorry to say, not freaking placeable. So yeah, it really irks me when shit gets thrown around. So yeah, dusty. Dusty bitch. I'm gonna redo the interior in red, blue. I like blue more. It is red currently, but if I have to redo the roof lining, then I might as well. Someday I'll go ahead and have it all blue and black. There's a fender up there. This year, harmonic balancer was stuck on her for a while there, and I finally got her off. I broke the harmonic balancer, and anybody who knows about those knows that once that cast iron is broke, it becomes a lot harder to get off. So okay, I started spraying spots inside the bay. I didn't get down there on the frame. I haven't gotten the frame up front. When I first started this project, I wanted to start at the back because I figured that would be a quick in and out kind of deal. The side here is what it used to look like, I guess, the other side. And, you know, that's what it looks like over there. And this over here is missing a lot of pieces, but it's, like, they're not missing, they're just not on it, but that's good, because they're getting neutralized. That rust there, they get the rust inside. The plan is to completely neutralize, completely clear, completely clean. You know, like, I'll probably even go as far as cleaning with Dawn dish soap and then possibly using a torch to make sure it all dries and then painting it. I went ahead and I took the rust neutralizer and I got like all the little chippy spots. You know, I got all this, and I did this because I'll paint this eventually. You know, it seems like it's pretty permanent, even though it ain't secure at all. It's pretty permanent. I mean, in retrospect, I don't want the car to be perfect. I want people to know it came from the fucking dirt. And once it's all nice and cleaned up and ready, it'll go right back to the dirt. But I'm going ahead and I'm neutralizing everything I can while I'm in here, because I don't know if this is ever going to see a garage again. But floor pans ain't bad, but you can see pinholes over there. And gas pedal where it mounts is totally fucked. We'll get there. Alright, y'all. Peace out. God bless.